Today is Mother's Day. Let's honor the women in our lives who share their wisdom, show us kindness, and who seek all above to honor God. God bless my mother, Mrs. Mary Lou Calma de Leon. All I am, I owe to you. I love you so much, and for life, you'll always be my hero. To all moms here, Happy Mother's Day. Once again, good evening everyone, and especially to my mom. I cannot think of any word to best describe my mom. No words can express how much I love my mom. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to all of you. Malibatin yung bingot ko, hanggang ang meto ako. Binyayong aning ang gatagyo, bilang yung duwi. Balo ko, malaki yung paninayang jablas, hingarang kupas na likod at pali ng salo. Iba't yung puso ko, babiya ko yung nagula ka pa sa lamatan, kintiyan kang limo. Mama, kalabaran ako. To all the moms here, Happy Mother's Day.
Kalingwanan yata.
I am very much thankful for having this opportunity to pay tribute to the women behind my success. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to represent to you my mother. She's none other than Flordelisa Granados. I love you, Mom. Have Mother's Day. To my mom, even though you're not here right now, Mom, thank you for everything. Thank you for the love, support, and care that you've given to me. You're my inspiration.
Pangit talaga to.
Sorry for all the things that I've done. It makes you feel proud. Ma, I love you.